So the Redmi has launched its new phone by the name of the Redmi 8A. We're waiting for the Redmi 9, but what we get? We get the Redmi 8A, and it's just a little bit upgrade to the Redmi 8. So let me just tell you all the specification and whether you should buy this phone or you stay away from this phone. In this video, I'm going to tell you all the features and my opinion whether you should stay away from this phone or whether you should buy this phone. So hey guys, this is Manish, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit that red button. So let's get started first. The specification of this Redmi 8A. The Redmi 8A is coming with the 6.22 inches of the screen. It has a Snapdragon 439. It has a dual camera on the back, which is of the 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and on the front you're getting the 8 megapixel. It has a battery capacity of 5000 mAh. It's running on the Android 9 and you're getting the HD plus display. Now, many users will say that I'm not getting the full HD display or the AMOLED display, but look at the price point. For the 2GB and for the 32GB of internal storage, you're just going to shed around 6,499 rupees. And for the 3GB and for the 32GB, it's just costing you 7,000 rupees. In 7,000 rupees, do you think that you should get AMOLED display or the full HD display? I don't think that any company can provide that into the price range of 7,000 rupees. If a company is providing a full HD display or the AMOLED display, the price is going to skyrocket and it's going to cost you around 9,000 to 10,000 rupees. Then again, you will say that the price is too high for just a basic device which is running on the Snapdragon 439. So from my point of view, stay away from the 2GB and for the 32GB. But if you want to buy this phone, you should go for the 3GB and for the 32GB of internal storage. Again, the specification seems to be same as compared with the Realme C3. Both these phones are going to compete with each other, and with the Redmi 8A, which is running on the Android 9, you're going to get the Android 10 update in the coming months, and same is going to happen with the Realme C3. So from my side, if you're planning to buy this Redmi 8A, you should go for the Redmi 8A for the 3GB and 32GB internal storage, because the price difference is only of 500 rupees. And even if you apply some card, you can get extra discount of 10%. Suppose if you have an Axis credit card or debit card, you will get extra 10% discount. And in this current scenario, of which the apps are getting very much heavier, and you're going to download app and you're going to use the latest app, the 3GB internal RAM and the 32GB of internal storage seems very much promising as compared with the 2GB and the 32GB of internal storage. So for my side, I give a big thumbs up for the Redmi 8A, just a basic phone. Don't expect it too much from this Redmi 8A. The game seems to be playing very much okay and the pictures going to be very much okay, but don't expect so much from this Redmi 8A. It's just a basic phone running on the Snapdragon 439, and the Snapdragon 439 is just not so powerful that it can play your heavy games simultaneously and smoothly onto this Redmi 8A. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish and I see you all in my next video.